How to recover deleted stories on Instagram. Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you step by step two methods on how to recover deleted Instagram story. So the first method is, all you have to do now, after you open up your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, scroll to down and go to this your activity. After you open your activity, now scroll to down and tap on this recently deleted. So after you tap on this recently deleted, tap on this section, this one for stories. So in this section you can be able to see all your stories that you deleted on Instagram. So all you have to do now, tap on the story that you want to just recover or restore. So let's say I want to open this one. So as you can see now, after you open it, now tap on this three dot at the bottom right side, this more. So now tap on this restore. If you tap on this restore, now it will restore your story to your story archive or to your story if it doesn't expire. So the second way to see or to recover your deleted Instagram story, you go to and open your Instagram Lite app. After you open Instagram Lite app, if you're using Instagram Lite, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now tap on this settings. So after you come to the settings in Instagram Lite, now tap on this account. After you tap on this account, now tap on this recently deleted again. So in this session, you can be able now to see your recently deleted story on Instagram Lite app. So you can tap on it and tap on this three dot at the bottom and tap on this restore button. It will restore to your story if it doesn't expire. If it is expired, it will just restore it to your story archive. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.